Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern revival of a classic icon that's turning heads everywhere. If you're a fan of retro-inspired designs with contemporary tech and performance, this car might just be your dream come true. Let's break down everything you need to know, from the stunning exterior to the refined interior, performance capabilities, and, of course, the pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Karmann Ghia beautifully balances nostalgia with modern flair. Volkswagen has managed to preserve the car's timeless silhouette. The low, sleek profile, the curvaceous lines, and those signature rounded edges that made the original such a design legend. Yet, there's a fresh, aerodynamic edge to this new model. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights integrated seamlessly into the body, giving it a futuristic yet classic gaze. The grille has been reimagined with a minimalist design, incorporating subtle chrome accents that add a touch of elegance without overwhelming the overall aesthetic. One detail that stands out is the updated alloy wheels. They come in several modern designs, each inspired by vintage styles but crafted with lightweight materials to improve performance and handling. The paint options are vibrant and well-chosen, ranging from deep metallic blues to rich reds, and even a striking pearlescent white. The craftsmanship on the body panel shows precise attention to detail, with tight panel gaps and a flawless finish that exudes quality. Moving inside, Volkswagen has truly elevated the cabin to match the exterior's sophistication. The interior is a perfect blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. Classic round dials and toggle switches make a comeback, but now function alongside a digital instrument cluster that can be fully customized to display navigation, performance stats, or media information. The steering wheel pays homage to the original design but is wrapped in premium leather and includes modern controls for audio, cruise, and voice commands. Comfort is a priority here. The seats are sculpted and supportive, upholstered in high-quality leather with contrast stitching that highlights the craftsmanship. They're heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. The cabin materials go beyond just leather. Soft touch plastics, brushed aluminum accents, and even some wood trim options are available, giving the interior a luxurious, timeless feel. Space is surprisingly generous for a car of this size, with decent rear seating and a well-sized trunk that adds to the car's everyday usability. Technology-wise, the 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a large touchscreen, infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, alongside a premium sound system that delivers crisp, immersive audio. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a host of airbags, all designed to keep you safe without detracting from the driving experience. Now let's talk about what really makes this car exciting: its performance. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is available with a range of powertrains tailored to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 220 horsepower, delivering a lively and responsive drive. For those looking for more thrill, there's a sportier variant with a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine pushing close to 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently. Handling is sharp, thanks to a finely tuned suspension system that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and agility. The steering is precise and the car feels planted even during spirited cornering. Rear-wheel drive is standard, offering that classic sporty feel, but there's also an all-wheel drive option for enhanced traction in varying conditions. Fuel economy is respectable, especially in the base model, making it practical for daily driving without sacrificing excitement. Finally, let's get to the price. Volkswagen has positioned the 2026 Karmann Ghia competitively within the sporty compact segment. The base model starts at around $38,000, which is reasonable considering the premium features and nostalgic value it offers. The sportier trims, with upgraded engines and additional luxury features, go up to about $48,000. There are also several optional packages, including advanced driver assistance premium audio, and custom interior trims allowing buyers to personalize their Karmann Ghia to their liking. In conclusion, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a brilliant blend of past and present, a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. Its timeless design, refined interior, engaging performance, and sensible pricing make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history with modern-day reliability and technology. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting winding country roads, this car promises a unique and enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive content. Drop your thoughts about the new Karmann Ghia in the comments below. Would you take one home? Until next time, drive safe and see you on the road.